Hello and welcome to this week's episode. I am glad and happy to present to you another front spoiler for a Model 3 this time around. For those that haven't watched, I did the Model Y, the video, and this is for the Model 3. EV Base are sponsoring this video. Please do use my discount code that is on there. So let's fit this on the Model 3 and see how easy it is to fit a front spoiler for a Model 3. Let's go. So the package itself, it's light enough, it's not too heavy. So just cut it with my small scissors there. Thank you for those that have used the discount code on the EV Base website to buy themselves a nice bit of kit for their Model 3 or a Model Y. Any Tesla accessories are there on that website, so do have a look. Just like the previous. Oh, it's lovely. It's carbon fiber look-alike. Look at that. Really nice looking, and we need a place where we can put the rubbish, really, so that we don't litter around, so be mindful of that. On the last video I nearly lost some of the pits. There is the other part. So it comes in 3 parts, this front spoiler. So I'm doing this very quickly this time around because I've already fitted one on the Model Y, so I kind of know how easy it is to fit them up, but I'll show you close-ups of the kit itself. There it is. It's a sunny day today, so do be careful and use sun cream. So yeah, it comes with the red tab on there to help you put it on the vehicle. So it comes in 3 parts. There is the bed part. So again, I'll pick up all the rubbish in a minute. So I'm doing it faster this time around because I did one a couple of weeks ago. So do subscribe to the channel for more of these and use the discount code as well on the EV Base website. I'll put them in there straight away. Right. There's a small pack there for you. So yeah, comes in 3 parts. So on the last video I did make a mistake. I thought they'd given me the Model 3, but they'd given me the Model Y. So we did fit it on the Model Y, and this one is for the Model 3. So 3 pieces like that. Easy, really easy. You've got nice areas where you can fit the screws and join them up together to the other 2 parts. Then this is the bottom. Then that's it, really. It's so straightforward. All you need is a screwdriver. Right, I'll put it down like so. And the sides as well, you've got openings. The screws go in there, so you can see straight away how it fits to the vehicle. Right, like so. And this side as well. I'm already running out of room. I thought the table would be big enough to fit everything. Obviously not. So here we are. So you use your screws. This is the bottom part where the screws are, so it should be like so. Like so. This is how it will fit in, and it will look like so on the car. So this part here will join that part like so, and becomes a spoiler there like that. So it becomes, so all you need is a screwdriver, and the screws are all in here, right? So I'll get the screwdriver. My screwdriver's in there, and these are the bottom parts. These are the bottom, the ones that you put on the car. And in here, you've got 2, 4, 6 screws. That's it. That's how easy it is. So I've got that screwdriver there, and that one there now. And that's it. So you just put your screwdrivers in there, and join it this side. There's that. So it's already holding on, it's already there. Like so. That is it. That's the front spoiler for a Model 3 assembled. That took us what, 4 minutes? So you still have 2 more screws, right? You still have 2 more screws which you will put underneath the car. Really straightforward. Just some screws. So I'm just going to tidy up the car now, and we do this next. Right. So now the first thing is, before you remove the red tape on there, we just need to make sure that we have the right front spoiler for the Model 3. You just put it on there like that, just to make sure you've got the right. Wow, it fits beautifully. Absolutely so easy. Even the lines here are so on the money. Like that. They come out so easy, just like that. Right, this is where we are now. We're removing the red tape on there. So that's the next thing, is to just align it and press it in. Right. Clean car. Here we go. Right. Align it first. That's it. This side is aligned already and pressed in. You need to press it more, and it fits in there like so. And I can see the holes there. Yeah. Okay, go and clean your nose. Go and clean your nose, thank you. Yeah, another old one there, an oldie. That's it. That is it. That's how it looks. Absolutely stunning. It's a stunning look. as you can see, it looks fantastic on the car. Do order more accessories for your Model Y or your Model 3 from EV Base. The website and the discount code are there. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.